Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do an unboxing on an M12 light, which is the 220 lumen stick light. So I appreciate you guys' time. Please stick around and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so we're going to try to make this a pretty quick video. I'm just going to give you a rundown of information on here. True view, high output lighting. All of Milwaukee's lights, I believe, have this true view compared to the demonstration of other lights and the flooding. True color, even beam, and natural light. 220 lumens of high definition output. Battery sold separately. It does 220 lumens for 11 hours, and it's using an XC 4.0 extended battery pack. So you would probably get a lot more runtime if you're using the XC 6.0. It's an impact resistant and chemical resistant multi-position hook. It's got a 5-year warranty. LED's limited lifetime warranty, and this is part number 2351-20. That's what it looks like on the back. It looks like a 1/4 thread on the back, and the hook can move all the way down. Grab a cutter. I'll cut this open real quick. Pop a battery on it, see what it looks like. Should be able to just pop these rivets. Ooh, it does not like that. Must be pretty thick. Really? I just had to He-Man it open. Comes with instructions or guide information. But I don't actually read these, it's just a flashlight. Safety instructions. Yeah. Grab a battery. This is just a 6.0. Doesn't seem to hold very well with a heavy battery like a 6. That's interesting. I thought they'd have D10s in here that you could just there's only one D10, ball D10 at the very back. It'd be more balanced if there was a D10 like right here. Interesting though. It's got the charge indicator on the side. Right there. It is bright. What I do like about these cameras is that it, you know, kind of just showing you guys what it looks like, so don't stare like directly at it. I like that it doesn't bother the camera You know, it doesn't make the camera flicker, you know, if I flash the camera or if I put it in front of the camera. You know, some LEDs make cameras flicker. You know, they just don't like it. But it's actually really nice. It's only 220 lumens. You know, my headlamps and stuff are brighter. But, you know, it's nice. It'll definitely come in handy when I just need to, you know, hang it under a vehicle or whatever. It's called the LED stick light. Again, the part number is 2351-20. You know, just a quick unboxing and view. You know, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking the video out. If there is any information, you know, you guys want to know, just let me know. There isn't much on the box, and, you know, I can't give a lot of information until I start using it. The light pattern is nice. It's nice and diffused. It is very even. To me, it being this close to the curtain, on the camera, it's blurring the curtain out, but actually in real life, I can see every detail of the curtain, so it's very, very nice light. It's got very diffused light, very clean. It doesn't flood everything out. You know, the camera picked it up as it was flooding the curtain out, but it wasn't. It's got 3 LEDs. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links. And I'll leave this in the description below if anybody's interested in picking one up. I'll probably leave it for like Acme Tools or Ohio Power Tools. They might be doing a deal on them because of all the M12 stuff. I believe this is one of the lights you can get for the free item, but, you know, I don't know why you'd want to pay $179 for 2 4.0 batteries just to get a $56 light. Let me look at my phone real quick. No. It's the round task light. It's that round M12 task light. So it's not this one. It's not those either that I got that we'll be doing a video on. It's the smaller round light. Okay, so I was wrong, but, you know, Ohio Power Tools or Acme Tools might be doing a deal on it or something if you guys are interested. But appreciate you guys' time, and I'll see you guys on another video if you guys come back to the channel. So again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out all my affiliates down below: Acme Tools, Ohio Power Tools, Amazon, DJI Electronics, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!